I'm just going to be laughing. Hi guys, what's up? I love you guys. Shouldn't I see you? Yeah, this is the fire, baby. The girl, them Winnie Nwagi. Straight out of Swangs Avenue from Uganda. The #1 fire dancer. I'm waiting for you guys more. Where them go? How do I look? I'm the shy one, and then I'm the one going live. Let me try today. Thank you. I'm so beautiful. Thank you. Shirat, yes, I'm live. Okay, guys. Should I start? Wait. Linda, I see you. Thank you, baby. Yeah, of course, Akalega Twaka is on you. By the way, it's not only me. Yeah. Don't talk of being shy. You guys, I'm shy. My friends know. My friends know. Come on, guys. Come and join me. Call your friends to come and join me. Hello, Binjagala Togereko Kono. Yeah. I'm coming to learn that would dance. How? Oh my God. I said, Zimpitako Musinde. Oh my God. I appreciate the love, guys. I appreciate you. That's how I love you guys. Akapia we kalika malaika. Yeah. Malaika. I have Malaika. I have Jolie. Yeah. What's up? What's up? Chechidie, yo chechidie, yonse njaga babulire chidie, no. Yagala babulire, msana munje, no. It's hot, like fire, baby. Ange gunjo chira mum sana. Come visit us in Moscow, darling Winnie. Someday I will. Atonda ikaya bikola. Mukwana gono gunkobanga mwenge. Gokutula nenyingo gutomeza nebisinge. I'm too addicted to him, malinga sente. Tariq on expiry date. Bulika said, njagala bewenti. Now I could see malaika, but malaika banange mbalaba mdago mkwano. Woo! Guno mkwano gunjo changa hotikawa. Oswiti mai dokita. Zikakana nganawe mbage baifa. Oh my God. Yes, I'm shy. ate we mbeera shy n'ebigambo biyinza okumbula. I've never gone live here. This is my first time, so we nkola mu kumaalo temukisussa nnyo, like temukindaga mundekere. Osumuludde, yeah, naatera osumulula. Beauty, is that you? Yeah, baby. Stand up, small Nwagi, and shake Mui. Mlinde mko. Hot like a hito. Nwagi Shanbei faith. Kutumidde nnyo mkwano webali kunjagala. Happy to see you, my diva. You're nice looking. You're amazing as always, my love. You're a love, big star. Oh, I am. Thank you. Sorority City misses you. Fire. We'll be back from London. I'm not yet back, but I'll be back soon. Please shake call. Let's see the outfit. Nag. Kugach first young mchikoye. I'm so happy to see you here, my fire baby. Yeah, I'm here, baby. Come get me. Where are you? Can I join you? I'm somewhere in London. I'm ready to sleep forever and ever. Jesus Christ. Big puppy. Big puppy. We forget. Okay, guys. Listen, battery little na can subire chance jeko. I'm here to set some facts right. Manyi babalimba nnyo mbeereyo nga babalimba no yakoze bwati mubiraba bambi ku TV, and I don't blame you for believing some of the rumors. I can't handle point. First of all, I would like to thank you, my London people that came to the show. Thank you so much, because I know you came out for me. For me. You came out for Fake, for Maker. You came out for us, guys. Thank you so much. We really appreciate your time, the effort, and everything that shows that you love us. Thank you so much. Thank you. And antandikirewa. And so can say kubanga chance useko. So antandikentya. Sheyo yategekedda no Uganda. Ndi Muganda naye no Uganda lumusumbu wasona mu mujja kulya mukoko mbogo. Sheyo yategekebwa omukyala gw'owulira gwe bayita Mama Africa. Chalo yetuwa gig era nasiima nnyo nti bannange, omuntu omusiima nga akuwadde akalimu. I'm used to working with some promoters, but this one was new to me. Sikolangako naye. Wegwadde gusoose okukola naye. Omuntu ono nga omanyi nze sibiyingiramu, manager yabikwasaganya. I always, mind my business. My job is to come up on the stage and perform and do my job. That's my job. I don't do bookings. It's my manager that does that. So they were talking paka nebakiriziganya show chibichi tugenze ku embassy batuwe for the visas, passport zara nyo ngachewunyisa nti olunaku Russia agenda okutuuka like waka ngambe ngo kuose nchanga isho nga titunava Kampala. So we really traveled late and last minute. We didn't have time to rest. We weren't ready because we hadn't gotten our passports back yet. So we nafuna passport yetu manyo visa vajikuwade. So you're like, maybe I'm still here. Iranga fe to booking and it shows is that unenga tuwaga just in case we're there. Yeah. Then hold on. Okay. Then we got traveling at last minute. You're ready. Like, according to the way I met Fik at the airport, he wasn't ready. I wasn't ready. But onga omanyi haso ya fe Uganda. Toina chakolo kugenda sawe webanga bagambi booking the ticket. You have to, just run. Pasanga traffic. I almost missed the flight because I wasn't ready. I didn't know I was traveling that day. Manyingo kera kumachani bagamba makati go naku to fly to your sawa where's TSH. I wasn't ready. So I had my outfit, my performance outfit ready. I still had hope in it. I hoped, my friends would help me with it. But unfortunately, like maybe there wasn't enough time left. But maybe I would have gone to a tailor to fix it. Everything was late. Flight delayed to Mazeko Airport some hours. And then to Inaka Transit or Rwanda, Kigali, whatever. Yeah, then to Kolachi. Netweyongera paka London. Tutuse. Na den no sagala kwogera bino bintu naye. Manyi, you first have to try me. So this woman tried me. And now I'm here to set facts, right? Size wano kumuvuma. Kubanga bwentyo siwe nakuzibwa. I'm here to set facts. Kubanga yabigambye bili out, like, my fans are hearing, false things about me. Tutuse ku airport. Era nayo muyimbi omna Uganda alabi. Kubanga tumanyirwa nnyo. Wano tubeera wano Uganda. Nolabambu Wizkid yazze, Davido yazze, motoka zisimbye, like there's enough security, like they're taking care of an artist. Chitegera. Nefe, okay, other promoters benkoze nabo, but this one was different. This woman came to the airport to pick us. We took so long to get our luggages. And after getting our luggages, we went out. Ajana tusanyukiranga omanyi abantu besesa kungulu nenga temanyi mitima jawe wejiri chitegera. So at that moment, you're just seeing someone welcoming you, so you think this person is so nice, but what on another side endala. So to took up airport, to follow me airport, to get them parking. Akasana kaka kanji. Nkoye wedda ntudde mu economy. Because fe to traveling ira mu economy. Tewali chakola ani agenda okuwa gondi. Business class. Wayagala sente. Kibale nti olinnyewo basi. Ojja n'okikuba n'oddayo ewammwe ne weeyagalira ewammwe. So jidde mu economy akasit ke bampadde. It was so uncomfortable. Tutuuse ku airport. Tuyimiriza banayi tuli mu parking, like omanyinga abantu abali stranded. Chikte yalese motoka ya kujawo ba artists ku airport. Omanyi abantu bakola otya show. Ngochimanyi togisobola, because when you're planning to bring an artist, you have to plan. Oyino chimanyambo artist, oyino kuba ne motoka emujja ku airport, because wano si wembeera. So you have to improvise. Chitegera tebinkwata ko batosobodde. You get. Neturawo nnyo. Nemberawo nga snapping, oba okuba cool kubanga munange. Tomanyi omuntu biba bimulemi, kubanga bimukaluubiriddemko. So we were twali down to earth nti tewali ya complaining anti banaife mwangwe banse kangende wa anti wange you get tewali yechanga byuli kimu kye yatwisa sorry buli kimu kye yatwisa mtu akigumira kusana ne katuocha n'amaana afuna uba ye yatujjawo manyi omuntu nga tosaana mubuuza wawa akutwala nga akutwala speed. Anyway, sagala kubeera na story mpanvu. I really want to cut it short because I would love to go back and have some good time over there. My friends are chilling. Kati natwala paka hotel. Hotel nayo anange mtubalanga muko ku magezi nga you know bwobanga tosobola artist bambi tomuleeta kubanga buli omu alina embeera ze okitegeera. So atulese ku hotel si yali yakabe nnyo ekiri awo kale basize kusula mu byakabi but why not? See, don't I deserve it? If you think I don't deserve it, then you bring Davido, Whiskey, bambi abemanya nti balamnabambulira. Yeah, you bring Davido, Whiskey, you know, ngabo bosobola okuteeka muki ewantu okusula ewalungi. Oba tosobola ng'obireka. So we are still, you know, we are still calm. My manager is calm. No one is complaining because some other artists like abayimbi abalala boto banyumiza. Ayagala kusula mu hotel nungi. Ayagala, you know, buli omu alina by'ayagala. Kitegeera. But means asibye nkulembeza. So ntunulira obwongo bw'omuntu ne musoma nenda bakyagenda okola. And you know, exactly what I expected kyeyakola. N'amala gatusula mu some weird hotel. Atugulirawo mere mama omuntu okubakolera ebintu naye ng'alinga abayamba. Let me tell you something, my fellow artists. When you hear a name Mama Africa nga yakupangisiza okujja okuyimba London wano mukwano sooka mukole contract nze sibagana kola naye kitegeera musoke mukole contract naye kubanga ye omuntu I won't disrespect her. Yenga yo omuntu alina endowooza ye yamanyi artist omuleta blessing ekisiimula n'omukozesa n'omusuulaawo. You get. Anyway, nkomye watadde mu hotel sawe to say like she wasn't even communicating kubanga the hotel tekako tekwaliko Wi-Fi. Now you have to pay for the Wi-Fi when you get to the room. Kitegeera. So abamu tebali online ziyampa kugundi yantera mu card ye nasasula wali ne I was able to get the Wi-Fi. Balala tebali kugundi online. So fik we atuuka yakuba tulo kitegeera ng'akooye buli omu we yagwa ku buli it's just me who was awake. You can imagine. Buli omu yali ayagala kuwumula buwumuzi. And you know, since there was no communication, I don't have her number. So Yarita ngasina chiulirako mbuba you're supposed to be at the venue at this time, you know. I didn't know about that. All I was doing was getting ready. I was getting ready in my room and then my outfit got messed up. I had to, you know, find a way to figure it out. Nenfuna ka outfit akakenjiyiriza nga nako nina, you know, nga omanyi boyiya outfits jabaga kuba mujja kunsekerera. Yeah, netuli outfit paka we twajigattagatta and you know we managed to go to the venue. Ate nno ne okugenda ku venue ngati yataddewo omukyalo oyo ngati yataddewo ki motoka etutwala ng'abula kutugamba mukwate Uber. Kitegeera there's some DJ friend of hers that she brought to me and the guy was Nigerian. He was like, I'm a huge fan, I like your music, and you know he had a good vibe and we were chilling with him, so he had the car. So I then clicking aninga akachono yaleso no wachi yaleso no ngamukwano gwe kubanga ayine motoka, so that amgamba twale ku venue alichina akobuzibu. We went to the venue again tugenda amkubira simu, where you guys, you're late, you afuma abantu ku simu. And yes, I'm not going to say I wasn't late. I was late because I wasn't ready. Ochitegera buli kimu nali nchipanga bupanzi. You get. Nali nchipanga bupa omukyalo oyo yakola ne mistake. In the beginning yasoka nasaza musho natimba mbuye show is cancelled. Kitegeera. Ate no maana ogamba mbu show gyeri. Kitegeera. So ekituufu kiri nti show ya flopping. It flopped. It's not the usual crowd that I usually perform for here in London. Kitegeera. Sikirabangako. But with all my energy, I managed to kill it on that stage. I did my job. I reached late and I delivered. Kitegeera. I delivered. Naleka ye changa na fake backstage. I sente zate, tagala more balance. I don't know, like, nalisagala byeyingiza mnyo nenga mpulira balance. You get. So maybe it was the money. Then I na guy where I think where ya take sent. Naja na tugamba, Ama, you go on stage. Don't worry about fake. He can actually live. Even if he doesn't perform. Like, we don't need him. They was so arrogant. How dare you tell me, like, I'm a fellow artist. Fake is my friend. Like, I wouldn't want to see Fake, Nganayari frustrated because you just refused to pay his balance. Ochitegera. Ngabamuvuluze. Ochitegera. Because he didn't come with his management or, okay, just one person. Like me, I came with my manager. Katinze singa nange manager teyaliwo, no gamba, just, let me just sit back because I won't be exchanging words with this person. That's why you're not supposed to deal with this client. Like, me, I don't deal with clients because I can lose it on you. Now, such a client, bambi, simani. Chanyamba, manager wange yaliwo. Fik, bamuyisa bubi nnyo backstage, nga bamuyisaamu amaaso gonna, nga balinga abagamba, nze wenyimba, Fik ne bwatayimba, omuntu wamuleese okuva e Uganda. We have so many gigs back home. Kitegeera gye tulekayo. Kitegeera, waliyo ab'emikolo, tulinayo gigs nyingi, waliyo shows nyingi. Kitegeera, okuzireka zonna n'ozerekereza, n'ogaaka ngende e London. Omuntu okuva ewaka, najja. Kitegeera. It means a lot. Like, omuntu aba respecting omulimu gwe ate nawe aba akuwadde respect. Kitegeera. Because the chick first cancelled the show. We had to be with Gravity Omutuju and Haruna. Bali balina okubaako ku show. But because she once posted that it was cancelled, never booking a shows endala. Because waliwo yidi, waliwo nakwenkura, never booking other shows. So that's why they didn't make it here. Kitegeera. Nga buli omu akolerera baana be, buli omu alina ebizibu bye. Tetuliwo mbu kusaasira promoter mba tetumanyi, buli omu alina ebizibu bye bannange. So me, I felt like it wasn't fair for Fik because I'm very sure they had an agreement. Elo mukazi yamukubira nga tuli mmotoka tugenda. Namga Fik jangu tofaayo. I had her over the phone. Fik jangu nkuwe balance wototya. Ngenda kuwa balance wo jangu. Tutuuka wali kugundi ku venue chiki yefuula. Anyway, so what I'm trying to tell you, chiki ono yagenze nasasula some obviously stupid blogger. Ye blogger asingayo obusiru, nze nkibagambi. Blogger asingayo obusiru atategeera ate nga muntu mukulu w'omusanga. Nenkanyanya zinaatera okujja. Now I don't know because nze ndaba wano like bloggers, the international bloggers, like they say facts. Okay, not 100%, but abachiyinako clue. But how dare you post something that you have no clue about just because you were paid some little money? Bannange, toyina mirimu gy'okola, tosobola kufuna mirimu n'okola. Stupid blogger. Toyina mirimu gy'osobola kola n'ofuna kasente n'ova ku baana b'abandi n'obeera ng'okola bikwatako kale bw'oba okoze bwa blogger ng'osooka n'onoonyereza n'okikolako research. Okitegeera. Tomala googera. Anyway. Sijja mwogera kubanga nzina erinnya lye lyagaana okuyita mu kamwa kange. So this woman is over there saying, Mze saayimba. Nemmala nengenda ku show ya DJ Shady mbune twenyiga nga smart kunkumula bubina ne fake mbune nyimba n'okuyimba. Let me tell you, I'm under the most serious label. Kitegeera. Sisobola kubanga promoter ono yandeese n'ondaba wali nga saakoze agreement na bali. Kitegeera. Era ne fake bwe yayimba, I'm very sure. Naye alina ekigendererwa kye. Kitegeera. Si buli kimumba omuntu alina okubannyonnyola. Buli omu ayagala kukola ssente. So when the opportunity comes, naye nze, I had to go for DJ Shady's show. Obviously, why not? Kubanga nze siri mwana wo oba wandeese London. So what? So what? Anyway, neerabidde okubanyumiza kiri. After that show, okay, they had their differences, him and like her and Fik. Simanyi oba babimaliriza batya. But me, on my side, we went back to the hotel. I was so tired. We went back to the hotel. We slept. Nine mkwano gwange. Akunkona kumacho mchala. Yo, zali sawa mega. 12:30. 1. 12:31. Awe wacho. Akunkona bubi nnyo. They need to check out. Their flight is at what time? 4:30. At 4:30. I was like, damn. Who does this woman think she is? Nagambo no mchala ngate yefudde ekirala like. Nentunula east, west, south, north nga sina kye nakoze mchala. Kujjako okutuuka late. Ate nga bantuuse late era mbantuuse mukama abantuusizza. Banga waliwo abatajjira ddala kati mba najjidde kiwe mbanga nazze. Nga nazze kuyimba ate ne sitajja ku show. Sikikolangako. So, we had to check out the hotel because yalagira ddala. I was like, okay. I still need some rest. I went back to sleep. Kubanga ani go to speed. Natuuse nkoye ntuukidde ku show nyimbi oyagala nchecking out sawe zonzire ku nnyonyo nfudde machine. Like ovulufudde lutalo. Like you can't put your frustration on me okubanga show ye floppings. It's not my fault. It's not my fault. Kitegeera abantu tuyiga okukula obanga oyingidde business kati ngeeya music bambi gijemu attitude zo. Kitegeera bobanga oli psycho bambi don't join. Don't join. Psychos, please don't book me. If you're a psycho, don't book me. This woman was a psycho. And the fact that she went ahead and, dropped out that whole false story about me, she's really a psycho. Bannange. Mchala bannange mulalu. Bayimbi bannange. Bakubira. I'm calling upon all my fellow artists. Please, if you hear Mama Africa, Muchala, abeera n'omusajja mu Nigeria, oba mukula, oba bbaawe, tetumanyi naye ng'omusajja oba yagamba basi mukazi we. Yali awo nga yeegaanagaana nga amwegaana naye yaga bbaawe. But that guy, whoever he is to her, he's Nigerian. Bw'owulira Mama Africa. Yawo mukyala enviiri ziba zimuyimiridde ng'empewo zeefuuye. Bambi, be careful. Make a contract with her because she's a psycho. Handle the psycho very well. How can you tell people mbunze sai? Minze nakanwaji Winnie. Manye naku yange. Kati nganze nzijelanda nesiyimba. Newe baba batano mbayimbira. Newe baba 10 mbayimbira. Nenzina nekutula. Nemmala nengenda. Kiri nti bansasudde ssente zange. Kubanga nze siva Uganda nga balance tomumazeeyo. Kitegeera. Siva Uganda nga balance tomumazeeyo. So why wouldn't I perform? But I had to kill it. Era I killed it. Abajja ku show bo banyumirwa. Just promoter is psycho man. just nze nsaasira abantu abaddako okukola ki kuba waliwo muyimbi munnange yamponinga yajjako wano omukyalo oyo yamubuukinga naye yagamba tali kiddira kati sinza asoose sijja mwogera linnya kuba ye yemanyira waali agenda kuseka nkimanya abwatuse n'aseka kitegeera omukyalo oyo si mwangu badde nsaba mukitegeere mumukolere nga mutaddemuko ku magezi kubanga yenga ye tali experienced abiteeka mu feeling olumu abeera oba anywedde man annange bapromota mukule bwoba tobisobola bambi ng'ogenda otunda ebirala you get njoga kikyendeseeyo saagala kwerabirayo kirala agamba abantu mbw I'm here stranded in London. Do I look stranded? Nze nakanwagi ngamala okuyimba ennyimba zange nga mbeera stranded nze nakanwagi mbeera stranded nze fire baby kakiri mbeera n'emikwano gyange gyenjagala gye nnyinza ogenda nsobola ogenda mu beŋŋanda sobola ogenda mu mikwano gyange sobola I don't even have to spend on a hotel. I have people that love me. People really love me, Mama Africa. Stop deceiving my lovers. You need to see what? That word is hard. Now akola kuba psycho. Akola kuba psycho inogenda n'omulabako banga you can't have a problem with, you know, like abantu ne bawera babiri ngera bebaliko obuzibu. Gwe abaako ekikyamu mukyala. Oliko ekikyamu. Oliko ekikyamu. But my fans know me. Sisobola kugaana kuyimba nga nasasuddwa. The only way I wronged you was come late. I came late because I wasn't ready. Oh my God. Buli kimu atututte speed okuva ku airport e Uganda paka wano. Ate nga toyina mpisa. Sebo nange bagamba sina mpisa naye sebo nina engeri gen respectingamu abantu. I respected you when I first met you. Oh my God. I was smiling all the way to your nonsense. I thought you were a good person. But oh my God, you're not. People should be careful with you, Mama Africa. You tried the wrong person because you can't change my fans. Tosobola kubakyusa bamanyi bulungi what I'm capable of doing. Bamanyi bulungi bafaani bange ate gwe toyina bafaani. Just kiri awo kinyannye oba wakikuŋŋaanya otya. I don't know, but people love me. And I worked for this. Chintu kyogezaako kwonoona nga nkikoleredde ebbanga. I didn't come from heaven nengwa bwenti. No, nkikoleredde ebbanga. You get. And you get. I love you, sister. So, ankuleke blessed. Ankuleke blessed. Kuba nakulabako ebintu bingi. Naye kankuleke abalala banaabyerabira. Abali ku Shadi's show baliwo bulungi. Yes, I was there having fun as usual. Having fun. How can I not have fun? We were there. The show was nice. I did not perform, but I had a good time. Fit for Makeup performed and we all enjoyed the show. Mama Africa, we are not sorry for going for that show. I did not perform. You can only sue me if I performed at that show. But I did not. So you're talking about suing. Anange. Onosobola okola ne ba artist gwe. Nga buli artist avaawo munyiivu. Buli artist gwokozesa avaawo munyiivu akuyinako complaints nyingi. Oh my God. You're so dangerous. waliwo ne promote yantwalako eyo ate ono ye akuba oba erinnya saali kwata oba banyinza odijjukira kati but era yali Europe tour. Yeah, I was coming from London and then I went to I first went to Turkey, then I went to London, then Germany. That lady was so nice. Mabel was so nice to me. Jose Mosh banaize simanyi na kumanya kyendi badizaawo ba promoter abalala abasinga obasiba kwata manya abampadde emirimu na akafuna mba promoter aba babiri bali bambi ngabazibu ngabakuyisa bubi, they treat you like trash. No tula no gaba nange. Is it because yaninyisize nyonyi? Let me tell you guys, enyonyi ekoya, it's not even fun. Enyonyi ekoya nze ntuukanga nkoye ntuuka ekiseera nga mpulira singa mbadde nsobola okuvaamu ningaba nice kanviiremu wano because enyonyi it's not fun. Muntu yenna okunteeka ku nyonyi nzije nku mbazize kola. Mbasi sirina maalo ga nnyonyi nagirinnya dda. Ne check-in zonna zikooya. It's not fun. So omuntu okulowooza mbu okuba yakuleese oba yakulinyisiza ennyonyi nati n'akumanyiira. So yeah, that was the last one after Germany. That was Sweden. That lady Sam kwatalinya nendoza ababeereyo mumumanyi. Kachanti nasazeewo kwogera ku ebyo kati naye kamwogereko. Naye awonye nga simumanyi linnya. Sirijjukira. That lady treated me so bad. Oh my God. Took up airport ansanyukira bulungi. Bana ulira bulungi bana abantu welcoming bulungi. Then there is a car bambi ye yalina emmotoka. Batuvuze paka ku nyumba ye gy'abeera. Ayambuse. Tazeemu kulabika. Ayambuse. Tazeemu kulabika. Kati driver ye yakomawo n'ekintu nga kiri mu foil paper. Tengamba ki ekyo? Tengawayi kabantu ali hotel mpumulemu. When I reached the hotel, bana gwali buchomo nga buli ku gondi bwali buti bubiri. Nga nteredde muki emichomo. Emichomo ebiri. There was nothing like dinner, banage. Had to take off dinner, had some nice food. Now let me go back to the hotel and prepare myself, freshen up. Mkwano, mshala yampa emichomo. Ndiye kwega nkole because when now I'm going to perform. Shitegera. Joba jintuge. The next thing I heard was, "Are you ready? Calm down." Nenyambala nengenda. Tuka ku location nayo yali mfu. Banange muyige n'okutegeka ku shows banayizi abike bulungi. Ka stage kali kabi, everything kiri disorganized ngolabira ddala nti oli omuntu yakayingira mweno business talina beyebuuziza. Kumwebuuze ku bantu ababisookamu. Okitegeera. Just like us artists, tukola collabos. Okitegeera. So webuuza ku bantu ababisookamu. You don't just do things for. Natuukayo bannange nga ka stage kabi. Nga sinaddamu kulaba kwoyo chiki yantwala. Nga sinaddamu mulaba. Then I went on stage, I did my best, I performed, but the energy was so down. I swear upon the living God, my energy was so down because I was so disappointed. Like everything was just disappointing. The only good thing is that I had friends there. My friends took me for lunch. They took me everywhere I wanted. And I did not see that lady again. Then, kwegachengezako bagamba. Mugezeko, if you're not friendly enough, bambi, tokozesa aba artists. Kubanga banange, tuli delicate. simanyi oba waliwo abatali, but me I'm delicate. You have to be so nice to me. Like, abalala babatwala mugundi ne bamuwa massage because, you know, they want you to, you know, to have all the energy. Shitegeera. Neno mpisa boto like trash. Mpado ebinyama. Bansudeyo ku hotel. Are you ready? We go. Ntufudeyo kugundi ne sali day. You can't even think of the fact that I haven't eaten. Ompade emichomo. Ngende nyimbe. And then after the show, you still can't take me out to get something to eat. Bambi mmanyira. Mwina akamanyiro. Nayenga bambi. Mukyosemu mukyasobola okukyusa. Kati nga gwe ndisogedde linnyali. Osobola okukyusa. Ebyo bye mwematira. Oba olaba weematira. Then genda osaba omulimu mu office. Otuula omukole onyige laptop. Nga boogira booti. Kitegeera. Boba, you can't be friendly banange. Move ku bya music industry. Toleta artists. Because we need to be treated nice. We deserve it. We are already going through a lot in Uganda. Kitegeera. Kubanga abamu babivaako. Nagenda nakuba ekyeyo. Kubanga kamanyiro everywhere. Kitegeera. Learn to respect us. Bambi. Choka kye musobola otuwa. Just respect.